Hi everyone, Junk Journal January. I've got my tub of, I've got a few tubs like this of all ready to go folded bits out of old books, like when I gutted that book yesterday. I would cut the spine off and have the pages, and bits of maps, children's books, all sorts of things. So today, for day 5, let's have a look at the list. Daily log. So I thought that because I made my envelope, that's what I wanted, something like this. So I've got a whole heap of coffee stained, tea stained as well, papers. Move that out the way. I wanted something with some squares on it. Now this is going to go into here. So it doesn't need it bigger than that. And I thought I would do, like I'm doing with the tea, sort of a week's worth. So that's going to fit in there. Okay. So daily log. Now, what I thought, I was thinking I might like to do a design here with a Dutch door. Now I've realised, now that I've gotten on a roll of making my videos, that I have to reassemble, because here I've got, you can see, just tilt you, all my paintbrushes. Now I only need them if I'm painting. So if I need a pencil, it's not here. So I've got my pencil case. I thought I'd like to maybe on a design down the side. I was thinking about these scrolly things. I'm wondering maybe let me turn it upside down so it's a little bit more, so a rough shape might be like that. Something like this. Just sort of randomly kind of making a design here. And it'll most likely evolve. or not. It won't evolve if I'm doing it in pen. Let's do another one. Little bit Art Deco. do a few extra little leaves and things. Now I know I don't really want to spend a lot of time on video doing all these extra bits. So this is going to be week 1. This is why I wanted one with the squares. Just makes it that little bit neater. Otherwise, it's a mess. Week 1. Let me show you what I mean by a Dutch door, if you didn't already know. Just cutting around the edge here. Oh, the crinkle of the old paper, I love it. Crinkly stuff. I might just take that off because it's a bit precarious. Okay, so that's what we mean by a Dutch door. So in the inside, trusty ruler. All right, so 7 days. And yes, that says Christina in Russian. I was trying to learn Russian once. 7 days. So we've got about 19. Let's just, for ease, let's just make it in the middle here 14 centimetres. So that's 2 centimetres for each. Let me get a pencil. 14, 12, 14, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. And I just really think I only want thick outline. And it doesn't really matter how long. Let's just have a look. The thing that I would like to not have any writing poking out from under it. So roughly about here. Okay. And now what I'm just going to do is, this is the 0.005. Just going to do a little box here. And then my little lines. So it's not really still very much of a written journal entry as such, as rather just a little reminder of this week. I did this. That's I was making a shadow. So this will be January. First, second. I could possibly put, my little planner. I could have actually stuck these in here, but I've stuck them on here, so that's how it's just already done. It's no more thought about it. But I could write a resolution. Well, let's use this one. Resolutions. Finish things. Get in nature. And I will go and look at my diary to backfill. So today is the 5th, so I just went to see my acupuncturist. So I had acupuncture. And when I finish this video, I'm going in the city to get some tea that I've ordered, which is going to be next week's tea special of the week. Japanese tea. Just thought I'd go and pick it up rather than spending the money on it. And last, the 3rd, I went with dinner with us at Postmistress, which is Italian. Delicious, absolutely delicious. So here's my little idea of what I'll be doing once a week. Putting it in here. I'm going to leave it out because I will get my colour pencils and have a little bit of a colour. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.